everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to organize your life. I'll be going over 10 easy steps to organize your life. Let's get right into the video. Step number 1 is set daily tasks, okay? I literally wake up every morning with tasks on my phone that I put from the night before. So every morning, every night before I go to bed, I write down tasks in my phone for the next day. I wake up, I already know what I have to do. That means the moment you wake up, you can be organized. You're not wondering or wasting any time regarding what you're gonna do. You know what to do. Before you go to bed, set your daily tasks for the next day. Super important. It can be written or it can be on your phone, electronic, whatever the case is, set them and follow them. Number 2 is plan out your relaxing time. Here's the thing, a lot of people never actually get the time to relax because they're always half in, half out. They're half working, half relaxing. They work for 10 minutes, hey, let's go grab a coffee. They work for 10 minutes, oh, I need to go to the bathroom. They work for 10 minutes, oh, I'm gonna check social media. Plan out your relaxing time, okay? I literally schedule in 1 to 2 hours a day of time in which I can relax. Some of that time is like with my wife, relaxing on the couch, maybe we're watching a movie together. My time with my kids is set in stone. I don't touch that ever, okay? I never take away from that. And then, you know, sometimes I'm like playing my Nintendo 3DS or my Nintendo Switch, whatever the case is. Plan out your relaxing time. Set some time aside for you to relax. And this way you can be extremely productive when you're not in that time slot, and when you get there, you're like, I was extremely productive. I can actually relax, okay? Don't be half in, half out. Work and play, 2 separate entities, okay? Number 3 is give every item a home. Now, in your house, in your car, in your office, in your bedroom, whatever the case is, every single object needs to have a home, which is somewhere where you can place it and it's gonna live there, it's gonna stay there. You take it out, you use it, and you put it back in its home. A pencil, for instance, goes in my house. I have this little pencil pen marker holder in my office at home, and I put the pencil back in there. There's never a pencil lying around on my desk unless I'm using it. When you're done with it, you put it back in its home. Very, very important, okay? Number 4, declutter often. You probably have at least 20% of the objects and items in your house, in your car, in your work, whatever the case is, that you're never gonna use again, that you can get rid of and you're not gonna miss them. Get rid of them. Every 6 months to a year, I do a decluttering session, okay? So what happens is, this is the honest truth, my wife is great at accumulating things. She gets lots of stuff that we need, we use the stuff, and then we don't need it anymore, okay? We have 2 young kids, so we just go through lots of stuff. It's the way that it is, okay? So what I do is every 6 months to a year, I go ahead and I just get rid of everything that we don't need and we will never need again, okay? Very simple. I don't necessarily throw it out. Sometimes I donate it, I give it to family and friends so they can benefit from it. I sell it, but get rid of it. Anything that you have in your house is taking up mental capacity. You want to organize your life? Get rid of the stuff you don't need. Number 5 is every once in a while, go hard. And I mean, you know, exceed your expectations when I say go hard. Everybody needs to prove themselves to themselves. So once in a while, you know, once every 2-3 weeks for myself, I go hard, I go ham, I go hardcore, whatever I'm doing. I'll for instance, stay up till 3 in the morning once every month, and I'll just work till 3 in the morning, 4, 5 in the morning. And that proves to myself, hey, Mike, you still got it, bro. You still got it. You need to do that. That keeps your mental sanity going. It keeps your engine running up here, and that's how you keep your life organized. And also, whenever I do that, I tackle the backlog of things that I might have left over. If I have 50 things that I didn't get a chance to do in the last month, I just kept putting them off, during that night, I tackle them all. I wake up fresh. You know, you don't get that much sleep once a month, let's say, but it's better than sitting and watching movies all night or playing video games all night. Get stuff done. Go hard once in a while. Number 6, set boundaries for others. This is extremely important. Most people can't say no to others, and they have others, you know, walk all over them without setting any boundaries. You need to set your boundaries for others. It's as simple as that. Number 7 is stop buying stuff just because it's on sale. If you buy something just because it's on sale, but you didn't need it, guess what? It's gonna take up space in your house. It's gonna take up space in your mind. Don't buy things just because they're on sale. It's a waste of money and it's a waste of space. You're probably gonna get rid of them in the future anyways when you declutter the next time. Number 8, follow an exercise routine. When you exercise, it keeps your whole life organized. I'll tell you why. When I exercise personally, when I get into an exercise regimen, I eat better, Okay, I waste less time on nonsense. Okay, I'm a better husband. I do more. I'm a better father. I'm a better son. I'm a better brother. I'm a better uncle. Like, I'm just a better person. I'm a better human being. And that's the truth of the matter. I don't want to say everyone that exercises is a great human being, but the same person, when you compare them exercising versus not exercising, they're going to be a better person when they exercise. It's as simple as that. So follow an exercise routine. Set aside time to exercise, no matter how busy you are. Even 5 minutes a day, exercise. Just bang out 100 push-ups. Okay, it's as simple as that. Number 9, set your top 3 life focuses for now. You can't focus on 5 things or 10 things. You can't. Pick 3 things. Literally, pick 3 things that you want to focus on for the next couple of weeks. Follow that. Then reevaluate. Maybe it's the same 3 things for the next couple weeks. Follow that until you change 1 or 2 or all of those things. You can't have 5, 10 things to focus on. You got to pick 3 things that you want to focus on. For instance, for myself, my 3 things are family, number 1. That's probably never going to change. It's always going to be on my number 1. So really, I only have 2 things that can change around. But right now, my number 2 is financially. I want to get myself way ahead financially right now. And number 3 is time. I want to free up a lot of time by getting rid of a lot of nonsense in my life. So set 3 things, okay? Last but not least is number 10, which is create a meal plan. And it doesn't have to be day specific. You just want to create a meal plan. You want to create maybe like 10 meals that you can refer to at any given moment. I like to do like 10 lunches, 10 dinners, 10 breakfasts. And if I feel like I have the time and the energy to make something different, I go for it. But if I'm just like, you know what, I just need a quick breakfast, I look on my list. Okay, eggs and toast, done, I'll make it. Or peanut butter and jelly, okay, no problem. Banana and peanut butter on a wrapped around, no problem, done. You just make a simple list of items that you can make at any moment, and you'll probably have those materials lying around your house. And that's it. That is essentially how to organize your life with those 10 easy and simple steps. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.